chicken rice really ready for serve. Ready to serve. Chicken rice. This is Turkish chicken rice. This is the chicken rice I make. I will transfer this to container so that we can carry it to the church today.
Ellerin dert görmesin bebeğim, ne güzel yaptın, sen harbi aşçısın. Restoranda uyuyorum gibi hissettim. Sabah bir uyandım.
Turkish chicken rice.
Evin içi yemek kokuyor. Envai çeşit mutfağımız.
Now the chicken, and then little bit when the water goes down, it will be cooked and ready. I think it's time to put the water now because we can see the texture of the rice. It's crispy now. You can see, not sticky because it is crispy. It is crispy fried rice now, and we will put the soup stock. Chicken soup stock. The soup of the chicken which I boiled yesterday, and the chicken meat we put also together here. Now little bit crispy, but we just wait a little more to put the water stock, the chicken stock, soup stock. Little bit crispy now. We hear the sound, just little bit more. This is the sound of the rice when it is crispy, so that we can add water. But not yet. Little time more. When the rice is crispy, it's time to put water, but still wait a little bit more fry. It's not yet crispy, the rice. We need to be crispy fry the rice, so that when we put water, when the water goes down, it will be cooked. This is easy made for the rice. This Turkish rice I make. Turkish rice, I will put chicken and eat this later when this is fried. We need to fry this first, and then later we put water according to their measure. We need to fry the rice, Turkish rice.